One of the tiniest foldable phones ever produced, the Samsung Galaxy Fold 7 has a folded thickness of about 9 millimeters and an unfolded profile of under 0.5 millimeters. However, a fresh controversy about the camera bump has been triggered by a recent leak. According to the leak, the triple camera arrangement is situated on a notably sizable vertical island that extends far from the phone's body, particularly when viewed from the side. During its unpacking event next month, the phone is anticipated to make its formal debut with the Galaxy Z Flip 7. The leaked silhouette has been seen in early mock-ups and teaser photos, and the foldable is probably trying to set new slimness records. The rear camera on the phone, however, appears to travel in the other direction. The leak indicates that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will include a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a powerful 200-megapixel main sensor. According to reports, the phone's front would include a 10-megapixel selfie camera on the cover display and an upgraded under-display camera for the foldable screen. The camera bump hasn't pleased everyone, though. Customers anticipate a sleek, simple design throughout when a phone is aggressively promoted for its thinness. For consumers who like their phones to glide smoothly into their pockets or rest flat on a table, a significant camera bump betrays that promise. It might be annoying to have a big camera island. If the camera is excellent, some consumers might not mind the bump, but for others, the phone's appearance and feel are just as important as its functionality. The Fold 7 still has flagship-level features, such as an 8-inch Dynamic AMOLED to X foldable screen on the inside and a 6.5-inch Dynamic AMOLED to X exterior display, despite the camera bump. Though it's unknown if Samsung is keeping with armor aluminum like its predecessor or utilizing a full titanium frame, the construction is said to contain a titanium backplate. Additionally, the phone will have a USB Type-C connector, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, Wi-Fi 7, Wi-Fi 7, and stereo speakers. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.